Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and tonight I'm going to be making easy chicken piccata. For that I'm going to need one large chicken breast sliced thin in half to make two, a handful of parsley, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, about a half a cup of cream, 1/4 of a cup of chicken stock, some leftover Parmesan cheese just for the top, about 2 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, a sprinkle of garlic, salt, and pepper to taste, and about a tablespoon of capers drained out of their brine. Well, this should be interesting, so let's do it. Alright, got my pan heating up. Just gonna get our butter and oil in it. Already taken the liberty of peppering and garlic salting both sides of our chicken breast. And dredging both sides of the chicken breast into the flour. We're putting it into the pan. And that's going to be in the pan 4 minutes on each side. Our chicken is done browning up. Remove it from our frying pan. Put it on a plate. Once that's cooked down for about 4 minutes, adding in the cream. Get that stirred in with the rest of our components until it makes a nice sauce. After the sauce have cooked up for a little bit, starting to get thick, I'm adding my chicken back in. And that's going to have probably another 10 minutes on a low heat. Of course, at some point flipping it over so the sauce gets on both sides. Now that is almost done, I'm shutting off the heat, giving it a good sprinkle of Parmesan. Topping it off with some parsley. And I'll let that finish cooking off the burner. Okay, I've served up mine with a little bit of a spiral pasta. I've already cut out a piece. Get a little bit of everything here. Try it on out. Well, I've got to say the flavor in this is amazing. There's a really good lemon flavor to it. I decided to serve it over some pasta, but I'm sure it could be eaten alone. Maybe over some spaghetti, maybe more on the side. This is really amazing. The chicken's cooked perfectly. There's nothing that's too dry. I think my sauce got a little separated, but that's probably my fault. It still tastes amazing, though. I'm so glad to the wonderful friend I have that suggested that I make this. So, thank you. Not only is it good dinner, but it's going to be a fun little video for you all to watch. So, you know the norm. If you got any comments, got any likes, leave them there. Click that like button. Tell me what you think about it. I will see you next time.